Hello children, let us start with practice set 5.2. Question 1. In the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. P and Q are the midpoints of sides AB and DC respectively. Then prove that quadrilateral APCQ is a parallelogram. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Solution. Proof. AP equals to half of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. QC equals to half of DC. Q is the midpoint of CD. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram given. Therefore, AB equals to DC, opposite sides of a parallelogram, and half of AB equals to half of DC, multiplying by 1 by 2 to both the side. Therefore, AP equals to QC. Also, AB parallel to DC, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Here it must be a sides of a parallelogram. That is, AP is parallel to QC from 3 and 4. Quadrilateral APCQ is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite side is parallel and congruent. Question number 2. Using opposite angle test for parallelogram, prove that every rectangle is a parallelogram. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. To prove rectangle ABCD is a parallelogram, solution. Proof. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore, angle A congruent to angle C equals to 90 degree. Given B congruent to D equals to 90 degree, angles of a rectangle. Therefore, rectangle ABCD is a parallelogram. Reason for the same, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if pair of its opposite angles are congruent. Next question, question 3. In the adjoining figure, G is the point of concurrence of medians of triangle DEF. Take a point H on a ray DG such that D dash, G dash, H and DG equals to GH. Then prove that quadrilateral GEHF is a parallelogram. Given point G is centroid, is the point of concurrence of the medians of triangle DEF. You know that DG and GI, it divides the segment in the ratio 2:1. We'll come across. So solution, proof we will see. Let ray DH intersect EF at point I such that E dash I dash F. E dash I dash F. Segment DI is the median of triangle DEF. Therefore, EI equals to IF. Point G is the centroid of triangle DEF. As I said earlier, DG upon GI equals to 2:1. DG upon GI is 2:1. DG equals to twice GI, cross multiplying. GH equals to twice GI. So GI plus HI equals to twice GI. HI equals to twice GI. Therefore, HI equals to GI from 1 and 2. So, quadrilateral GEHF is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its diagonals bisect each other. In bracket, the reasons are given. We have to write the reasons in the proof. Please take. Next question 4. Prove that quadrilateral formed by the intersection of angle bisectors of all angles of a parallelogram is rectangle. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, rays AS, BQ, CQ and DS bisect angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D respectively. To prove the quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Proof: angle BAS and angle DAS equals to x degree each, as AS is the angle bisector. An angle ABQ and angle CBQ equals to y degree, as BQ is the angle bisector. Angle BCQ and angle DCQ equals to u degree, as CQ is the angle bisector. Similarly, angle ADS and CDS equals to v degree, as DS is the angle bisector. Now here you see, therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram given. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, adding these two angles here, angle A means x plus x and angle B means y plus y. So here if you take the angles here, an addition of 2x plus 2y degree equals to 180 degree. Therefore, dividing by 2 to each term, x plus y equals to 90 degree. Also, angle A plus D, angle D equals to 180 degree. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram, angle A plus angle D. Therefore, we say that similarly, twice x plus twice v equals to 180 degree. Dividing by 2 to each term, we get x degree plus v degree equals to 90 degree. Now in triangle ARB, in triangle ARB, here you see triangle ARB, here is x degree, here is y degree. X plus y was saying calculated above as 90 degree. So the third angle in a triangle will be also of 90 degree. So angle ARB equals to 90 degree. Similarly, twice x plus twice v equals to 180 degree. We have calculated, then x plus v equals to 180 degree. Therefore, in triangle ASD, x plus v 90 degree. Therefore, angle ASD equals to 90 degree, as sum of all angles in a triangle equals to 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove SPQ equals to 90 degree. Similarly, we can prove that angle PQR equals to 90 degree. Therefore, in quadrilateral PQRS, angle SRQ equals to angle SPQ equals to angle PSR equals to angle PQR equals to 90 degree. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Each angle is of measure 90 degree. Next question 5. In the adjoining figure, if points PQRS are on the sides of a parallelogram such that AP equals to BQ equals to CR equals to DS, then prove that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AP equals to BQ equals to CR equals to DS. To prove that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Solution: proof. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram given. Therefore, angle B equals to angle D, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Also, AB equals to DC, opposite sides of a parallelogram. But what is AB? AP plus PB. AB is nothing but AP plus PB, and CD is nothing but DR plus CR. So AP plus PB equals to DR plus AP. Why? AP equals to CR. Therefore, AP gets cancelled on both the sides. What is left? BP equals to DR. In triangle BPQ and RDS, BPQ NRDS. DS congruent to BQ given. DR congruent to PB proved here. And angle D congruent to angle V given, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Therefore, triangle PBQ congruent to triangle RDS by SAS test. Therefore, segment PQ is congruent to RS. PQ is congruent to RS. Similarly, considering these two triangles APS and triangle QRC, we can prove similarly congruent by SAS test. Therefore, segment PS congruent to segment RQ. From third and fourth equation, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. As reason for the same, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if pairs of its opposite angles are congruent. This much is sufficient for this exercise. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.